Hello everyone, my name is Eduardo Garcia, and my presentation is based on the innate and adaptable immune system. It will give us a detailed look at the human immune system, focusing on the way it responds to various types of threats and how it adapts over time. It will also highlight the differences between individuals' immune systems and explore how factors like genetics and environment can influence immune response. So, the immune system is an essential defense mechanism that protects our bodies from harmful invaders like viruses, bacteria, fungi, and cancer cells. It's composed of various immune cells, organs, and proteins that work together to detect and fight off these pathogens. The immune system functions in two main ways: innate immunity, which is immediate and nonspecific, and adaptive immunity, which takes longer to develop but provides a long lasting protection. This allows the immune system to respond effectively to a variety of threats, such as a new virus or bacteria that the body has never encountered before. Over time, the immune system learns from these encounters, adapting its responses to better deal with future attacks. With advancements in vaccines and medical research, we now have a better understanding of how the immune system adapts to various challenges and how we can support it to stay strong and resilient. So let's take a look at how the immune system works in real time when a threat arises. The immune system is not a single mechanism, but a network of specialized cells and organs that work together to defend the body. These cells include white blood cells like neutrophils, macrophages, and T cells, which are all designed to identify and neutralize pathogens. They are spread throughout the body from the blood to the lymph nodes, the spleen, and the bone marrow. The innate immune system is the first line of defense. It reacts quickly and is not specific to any particular pathogen. For example, when a pathogen like a virus enters the body, cells like macrophages and neutrophils recognize general features of the invader, such as its shape or structure. Then they trigger inflammation, recruit more immune cells to the site of the infection, and attempt to get rid of the invader. This is why you may feel feverish, tired, or swollen when you're sick. These are symptoms of your immune system working hard. The adaptive immune system is, in contrast, takes more time to activate, but is more specific. It develops a memory of the pathogen, which allows the body to respond more effectively if the pathogen returns. For example, after you've had a cold or flu, your immune system creates antibodies specific to the virus that caused the illness. These antibodies remain in your body, providing protection against future infections by the same virus. So, what's the difference between the innate and adaptive immune systems? The innate immune system is a fast acting, non-specific defense. It doesn't need to recognize the exact pathogen, just its general characteristics. Think of it like a security system that activates as soon as it senses any intruder without knowing who exactly is breaking in. The system includes physical barriers like the skin, mucous membranes, and cells that detect pathogens and trigger inflammation. On the other hand, the adaptive immune system takes a more specialized approach. When the innate immune response isn't enough to eliminate the pathogen, the adaptive system is activated. This system uses a process called gene recombination to produce antibodies that are highly specific to the pathogen. These antibodies learn about the pathogen and can target it precisely. This is why, after getting a cold or a vaccination, your body can defend against the same virus much more effectively if it encounters it again. The adaptive immune response can last for years and sometimes even for a lifetime because the immune system retains this memory. So, how do we improve our immune response? There are several factors that can strengthen the immune response. First is proper nutrition. The immune system requires a variety of nutrients to function properly. Vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, and iron play key roles in the immune cell production and function. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells that fight off infection. Zinc is important for the development of immune cells, and a deficiency in zinc can leave us more vulnerable to infections. Also, getting enough sleep is also a major factor. Sleep is important for a strong immune system. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates tissues, and immune cells are replenished. Studies have shown that sleep deprivation can impair immune function, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to support the adaptive immunity. They teach the immune system to recognize specific pathogens without causing the disease. Also, exercise and reducing stress can also enhance immune function. Moderate exercise improves circulation, and helps immune cells move freely throughout the body, increasing the efficiency of the immune response. It's important to understand that not everyone's immune system is the same. Factors such as age, genetics, and environment play a significant role in shaping how well our immune systems function. So, for age, the immune system changes as we age. In infants and young children, the immune system is still developing, which makes it more susceptible to infections. As we age, our immune response becomes more efficient, but over time, the number of immune cells decreases. Older adults, for example, often have weaker immune systems, which is why they are more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Genetics also play a huge role in immune response. Some individuals are born with genetic conditions that weaken their immune systems, such as immunodeficiencies. On the other hand, certain genetic variations can make individuals more resistant to diseases, such as malaria or tuberculosis. The environment we live in can also shape our immune response. For example, people living in regions with high exposure to specific pathogens may have developed stronger immune responses to develop those pathogens, compared to individuals living in areas with limited pathogen exposure, which may in that case have weaker immune responses due to the lack of exposure. So, to summarize, the immune system is a highly complex and adaptable defense mechanism that plays a crucial role in protecting our bodies from disease. The innate immune system provides immediate, non-specific protection, while the adaptive immune system offers targeted, long-lasting defense. These systems work together to keep us healthy. By understanding how the immune system functions, we can find ways to improve and support it, whether through nutrition, sleep, vaccines, or a healthy lifestyle. As research continues, we will gain even more insights into how we can protect and strengthen our immune systems for the future. Thank you for listening to this presentation, and these are my references.